This tutorial will show you to get a color correction panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC video editing software completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so the first step to get color correction panel in Adobe Premiere Pro CC is to click or to highlight your video clip. Assuming you want to add color to this, I'm basically just unlinking it by clicking L, or you can right click and then click unlink. Okay, so go to the top hand screen, next to file, next to view, next to help, and then click this option where it says window, and basically scroll down until you go to the letter L, and then click this, which is below libraries and above Lumetri scopes, Lumetri color. Now this is one option to get the color correction panel or the color panel in Adobe Premiere Pro. As you can see, we have a list of different options. Basic correction, we can adjust the temperature, we can adjust the tints, the exposure or the brightness of the video, contrast, highlights, shadows, you get the point. Another way to add in the color panel or the color correction in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, or how to get the color correct panel, again go to window and then click below Lumetri color, Lumetri scopes. And basically, well, this is not going to show you exactly like the colors, but it kind of will show you the colors here. As you can see, there are different colors. I'm going to right click and click close panel.